Bless upon yourself, this is MV Corner, big up on yourself worldwide. Now this morning I got up and I did not even want to do this MV Corner because, you know, part of you just know that people are gonna say, him again? What's wrong with this dude? This dude keep talking about the same thing. I'm tired of this dude. But they still comment on the video. And another side of me saying, you know what, keep speaking because I do have the attention of people that I need to have their attention. Another thing people need to understand that when I speak for this music, dancehall, reggae music, or reggae dancehall, I'm not speaking for just one individual. So please do not take such credit to think that I am fighting your personal war. I am speaking for a whole genre that I am a part of. So I think I have the right to speak. I am speaking because I've seen for years, I've been doing this for 19 years, and I've seen where music, our music, whenever we have a hit record, it gets plays in New York, Hartford, and sometimes Florida, because other radio stations are saying they do not play reggae, or they do not play dancehall. So now that I see dancehall music is being played on mainstream radio and going #1 on the Billboard chart, I'm calling it out. Because I'm saying, how comes Sirani record could not go the distance? Why?
Love you, girl, do you feel the same? I don't wanna play games. No game.
When a record plays in the club, any Yankee club, any hip-hop club, the place go crazy. But when we take it to your radio station, you're saying you cannot play our reggae, but you're playing Justin Bieber reggae. That is all I'm saying. People are saying, oh, you're not making quality music. You guys are not making quality music. We can't understand what you are saying. That is straight English right there, unless you don't know how to speak English. We've been making records for years and they're not advancing to mainstream radio across the nation. But when other people come now and do dancehall music, we're seeing it all over the Billboard charts. #1 on the Billboard, in rotation on every radio stations. You know how hard it was for me to broke it down to get some plays? People did not even want to touch it. It was such a big record in New York, on the major stations in New York, but no other stations would have played it because you're saying you don't play dancehall. But now you're playing dancehall and calling it tropical pop. Now this is what I'm speaking about again. Because people are saying, oh, they're doing dancehall music a favor. It is good for the genre because they're doing us a favor. It's not doing us any favor when you take our music and then you name it whatever you want to name it. It does not help us. We have seen it before. And we're not saying, do not come and do our music. Do not come to Jamaica and sing our songs or take our samples. We're saying, just credit us. Just give us the credit. Call the genre what it is. And when you're crediting other people for similar work, at least we would have loved to see our Jamaican artists on your record. Just like when I bought the CD, The View, and I looked at the credit when I was picking up the album, and I did not see my people. But I see other people who are being sampled. So that is why I even spoke about Drake, because I said, yo, Drake is a man that talk out how him love dancehall and how him rate Popcorn, how him rate the artists them, and how him rate Gaza, and how Free World Boss. But he has like 3 reggae songs or dancehall songs on his album, and we don't see our people. But we see other people that got sampled. Kyla. She said, oh, when they contacted me and told me they were going to sample my record, I was so happy. We want to be happy too. Because you know what? People are now going to search who is Kyla. When you give us credit, according to some of you, we got credit. Oh, they got credit, so mind your own business. I am trying to look through the fine prints, trying to find the credits, but I do not know the artist's real name. I don't know the artist's real name, so I'm like, who? Where is he? So we're saying just a little recognition, since you're saying you're one of us. Because that goes a long way. Because people now is suddenly looking out, who is this artist? Just like when Shine featuring Barrington Levy, it wasn't a new song Barrington Levy did, but people were like, oh, And people are like, who is that? And they look on the record and they see Barrington Levy. So now Barrington Levy start getting more shows. Other people want to work with him. So that is all I was saying. Don't tell us that it benefit us when you take our music and then you call it tropical house and all of these things and we should be happy. Because we have seen before where people came in and take our music and renamed it and it has not benefited us. Listen to Shabba Ranks, them bow. That's reggaeton right there. Don't have anything against reggaeton. But Steely and Clevie, you don't speak about them when you speak about reggaeton. And this is where El General came and took it from. This is reggaeton. That's reggaeton for you. And even Daddy Yankee went on and sell millions of records. Tempo. We don't hear them speak about Steely and Clevie. Them talk about reggaeton. So do not think I am a madman who is just coming here trying to fight any one individual war and I should stay quiet because I do not know what I'm speaking about. Because guess what? I've seen it happen time and time. They call Major Lazer Lean on tropical pop. But when you listen to the whole vibe, it is from this. Sly and Robbie. That is Santa Barbara Rhythm by Sly and Robbie. And listen to Major Lazer. Lean on, 1 billion.
All we need is somebody to lean on.
Nobody speak about Sly and Robbie when they speak about the 1 billion views on YouTube. Don't it? No. But I should stay quiet because it benefits. Oh, it benefits you when we do your music. When Drake comes into your market and do not give you any recognition. Because him rate you so much that you would kill me for him. But him don't give you any recognition on his record so people can go research you. You want to kill me. But look at it. Did that I just played. Lean on. Where these people speak about even, yo, you know, this was inspired by Sly and Robbie. Sly and Robbie, they keep staying in the reggae category of the Grammys. That we cannot even come on live TV. They give us our award when the sun hot, when the people are walking, when the people are cleaning up. That is when we get, you know, the little Grammy award. We cannot even get a platform to perform some reggae music. And when they do invite us to perform some reggae music, they want to bundle us together like we are some wild animals. So we can be running off the stage and jumping in the crowd like wild people. So they want to make Shabba Rankin be a part of that. And Shabba said, no. Me make Billboard #1 too. Shabba! Big up on yourself worldwide. That is what it's about. Not just one person. So do not kill me for speaking for a genre that I am a part of. Big up on yourself.